Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with the Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Today we're in Boerne, Texas, just north of San Antonio. We've been at this house before, if you've been following along. And we were in this area where we're expanding the kitchen and the living, making a more open floor plan. But today we're going to focus on how it's really going to get a lot more square footage right behind us.
this way. So if you look at this wall right here that has the doors and the windows, this where she's dancing and doing her thing, this whole wall actually gets pushed out about, I think 9 feet. So we're expanding the living room out towards the backyard. So this goes out 9 feet. We're also actually expanding this up higher, but for now we're just going to look here. So if you walk with us through the door.
You'll get a better perspective of how it's going to look on the outside. Foundation is done. Is that right?
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
I hope so, because we're standing on it.
Yeah.
So we poured the foundation. So if you look, real quick, this is where I'm standing is where this wall is going to come to, right? So we're expanding the whole living room out this way. This dropped slab over here is actually going to be part of the new patio. So when you come out here, you get a real good feel for how much larger this is going to be. This whole wall that we just walked through, the doors we walked through, that whole wall gets expanded to right here. So all these columns will be gone. The roof line will extend out further. We're actually expanding over there as well, but that's part of the kitchen. This is really part of the living room that we're doing.
So this will all be windows, basically, in the almost framed out the way, not with these, but it'll look like that.
Yeah, it'll basically be like a wall of windows as you would see in a mountain cabin, because the view she has is across the river, so we want her to see that.
And then over here this is connecting to the master bedroom.
Right there is the master bedroom, and here we're actually expanding this out this way. The master bedroom expand, but this part is going to be like a reading room. So in one of the earlier videos we posted, we talked about a wall that we removed between those two rooms.
From the inside.
From the inside. That's going to be a reading room. This is going to be kind of a little covered porch where you can sit out here with a chair and your coffee in the morning, right outside of the master bedroom.
So there's a lot happening over here, and then there's from the exterior powder.
Yes.
So there's more.
This is just out here.
This is just this part
Good.
of the house.
So over here, we're actually expanding the kitchen. I'll go stand in where the new kitchen's going to go.
I'm going to stand in the powder room.
Yes. The kitchen's going to actually expand this way. So this whole wall gets brought out. Obviously the roof line gets done. And then Molly is in.
The new powder room.
Which is more really for the pool than anything else.
Yeah. So if you walk around this way, there's a pool, but you don't need to see that right now.
No.
But there's a lot going on in this. It's getting expanded out this way, out that way, out this way. So there's going to be a lot more room. And as that takes shape, we'll show you what it starts to look like on the inside. Framing is going to start very soon.
Yep.
So we're excited about that. We got good weather.
For now.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Don't even think it. Don't even think it.
Nope.
But anyway, so a lot is happening. We just wanted to show you how this is moving out and how things are taking shape on this project.
Yep.
Very exciting. So keep following us along. You'll start to see how it morphs and it becomes a larger space. And then we'll show you all the things that go on the inside we're really excited about. So happy to share it with you.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. See you next time on Behind the Drywall. Please follow along, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Let them know all about us.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.